I'm Engineer Laurence, residing here in Poblacion East, San Ildefonso. I purchased mini backhoe PC30 Kubota brand. With the almost 1 year operating it, I haven't experienced any big trouble in it. So far, the equipment is very excellent. Rating it from 1 to 10, I would rate it at 10. I'm 100% satisfied. The company gives assistance when it comes to fixing some problems. Tabasan is very responsive in addressing our concern. During the transactions, we haven't encountered any issues and it was an easygoing transaction with the company. I am fully satisfied with the accommodation, and in terms of the mode of payment, it was good. And I'm recommending it to my friends, my colleagues.
Tabasan, built for reliability.